Hello everyone, and welcome to TechSphere Academy.
The buzzword of the past 2 years has been AI, and as a result, many of the products at CES featured the technology, or at least claimed to, making it more challenging than ever to choose the best in the category. So we thought we'd take a look at some products that have it, and some that don't. Let's start with the Roborock Saros Z70, with its mechanical arm that removes obstacles in its path, causing most people to stop in their tracks. The claw-like arm can remove obstacles under 300 grams, or about 8 Oz using OmniGrip technology. It can even cross obstacles up to 4 cm high, such as chair legs or door thresholds. Beyond the mechanical arm, it is a very capable robot vacuum with 22,000 PA of suction. Next, we can see Haliday AR Glasses with invisible display, which look like any other ordinary glasses frames, light and compact. However, when worn, in an upper right-hand corner you can see a display that shows you information like the date, time, translations, messages and text. The coolest part is its invisible display, which simply means that what you see isn't coming from the actual displays or lenses, rather an advanced optical module. It is available to be reserved online for $369 as part of a Kickstarter launch. The new amp strength machine proves that applications of AI in everyday life don't have to be limited to language. The souped-up cable machine not only has a beautiful, sleek look that differentiates it from traditional workout equipment, but features AI to upgrade your workout experience. Using the camera and AI, it offers personalized coaching with smart tracking. On the app, you can select what parts of your body you'd like to work out, and using your data and AI, the device can create a custom routine for you. Even though the Omnia Smart Mirror may just seem like an aesthetic decorative mirror, it holds much more. The conceptual mirror, developed by Withings, is a smart scale with 360-degree health screenings, including a person's heart health, nutrition, body composition, lung function, activity, and sleep. It uses AI to develop meaningful insights based on your inputted data, as well as the data. Also, this AI mirror could track your weight, blood pressure, sleep, and more collected. Although this is a concept and not likely to unveil anytime soon, it is an exciting look at what AI will be able to do for the health and wellness space. French startup Enchanted Tools, founded by Jérôme Monceau, recently unveiled Mirokai, the prototype of a new generation of humanoid robots that are both wondrous and useful. Mirokai is an endearing robot character. Half child, half animal, this little fox-like creature. The teams at Enchanted Tools believe that robotics can reintroduce a touch of enchantment to the world, rather than dehumanizing it, and they aim to revolutionize robotics by improving the acceptability of robots to promote their large-scale adoption. Have you heard of the uncanny valley concept? It refers to the sense of unease that we feel when confronted with a humanoid creation that looks too much like a human. The idea is that the more similar a robot is to a human being, the more freakish its imperfections seem to us. By merging human features, 2 arms and a head, with an animal feature, long ears, in a creature that looks like a manga character, Enchanted Tools resets how we relate to the other by drawing on familiar elements. His small size, 123 cm, his posture, the way his ears move. Enchanted Tools has put a lot of work into his lifelike appearance, so that Mirokai will be able to return a smile or turn his head in perfect mimicry of the person he is speaking to. For Mirokai, the challenge was therefore not only to create a robot that people would accept, but also one they would find useful. This meant meeting 3 challenges of robotics. 1. Automated navigation in semi-standardized spaces. Perched on a rolling ball, Mirokai moves, and can be moved, in any direction. 2. Automated gripping of objects. Mirokai's hands are uniquely designed to grip special handles that users can attach to objects they want the robot to lift. The radical simplicity of this all-purpose handle allows Mirokai to achieve a 97% grip success rate, whereas the market standard is about 60%. 3. Semantic and emotional interactions with untrained users. Mirokai is capable of the level of interaction required to functionally understand and execute voice commands. Mirokai was designed with the aim of simplification. He is not the best at gripping, navigation, or interaction, but he is good enough in all 3 areas to accomplish his task, which is to move objects within a social environment, explains the CEO of Enchanted Tools. Now, let's move on to something cute and cuddly. Mirumi is the latest bizarre but endearing robot from Japanese startup Mirokai Engineering, the company responsible for the Kubo cat-tailed pillow and the finger-nibbling kitty plush, Amagami Ham Ham. All it does is stare at you and move its head around a little until you've successfully been tricked into a few moments of happiness. The idea is to emulate that distinctly joyful experience of meeting eyes with a baby in public. A quick, random interaction that can turn your mood around. Inside Mirumi is a distance sensor and an inertial measurement unit, which tell it when there are people nearby and when it's on the move or being touched. When a person first comes into its line of vision, for example, it will get shy and briefly hide its face, like it did for me. Then, it cautiously peeks out again. On a thinner perch, like a bag strap, its arms wrap fully for the best hold. But I'm not sure I can walk through a tube station with it hanging on. Mirumi is rechargeable and should last about 8 hours before it needs to be plugged in again. We don't know yet what the final color options will be, but Yukai had white, black and peach Mirumis on display. Is it kind of ridiculous? Yes, absolutely. Especially when you consider the price, around $70, according to a Yukai rep. But kind of ridiculous is Yukai's whole thing, and at least for me, and just about every person who stopped by during the demo, Mirumi elicited the exact emotional response it was made for. This is all about making people around you happier, Yukai's Hiroko Sato said during our chat at CES Unveiled.